you all right there? Good for the track? Track 76. Yep, okay. Oh, hang on, we're recording. Hey Albert, hey track fans, how you doing? And welcome to track 76. We have got a Honda Civic BTCC car here, and he is looking good, a nice matte livery. Are you ready? Let's drive! And into the first R2 corner, Bentley bending round. You didn't even see him come up to the Gambon here. What have we got here, Albert? Is two things. We've got a smaller track today, and there's nothing in it other than I've had to store stuff for a week. So we're on no access to the back end of the table. Anyway, back to the race. Let's drive into a long sweeping staggered R3 corner there, coming up into a lifted Gambon, also staggered. We're staggering all the corners here. Should we call this the staggered corner track? Or should we call it small car, small track, big dreams? I don't know. It's a little bit American for me, but you've got to love a bit of enthusiasm. So let's go. The Honda Civic is holding well. It's I've had a few laps on it just to test it out and see how it handles, what kind of speed we can get on the corners, just to make sure we can give you a good demo of the Honda Civic in action. Look at it fly around the corner. You have to slow it down on this one because it will derail. Albert, it was amazing to see you the other day, just before the lockdown happened, and the second lockdown, that is, people. And yeah, well, all the other cars are now in the repair shop. Have a look at this picture of all the body parts. What do you think of that? We had a great time on the track. First time in 7 months since the project began, and we're doing good. So, okay, Honda Civic. Last lap, track fans. Last lap, Albert. Comes in, handling well. Very nice car, small track. Big dreams, track fans. See you later, Albert.